Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Jabra Elite 65T ear tips is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to maximize their audio experience with these popular earbuds, ensuring a secure fit and optimal sound quality for workouts, commutes, or everyday listening. Number 5. ALXCD ear tips for Jabra Elite 65T. Introducing the perfect replacement ear tips for your Jabra Elite 65T headphones. Designed for a secure and comfortable fit, they enhance your listening experience. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these earbuds provide exceptional comfort for extended wear. Enjoy a snug fit that stays in place, no matter the activity. Experience crystal-clear audio with our sound-isolating design. It effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing you to focus on your music or calls. These ear tips are built to last and can be easily cleaned with water. Simply wash them and they're ready to use again, offering great value. Each package includes 6 pairs of silicone ear tips in various sizes, SML, to ensure the perfect fit for everyone. You'll also receive a microfiber cleaning cloth. Not only do they fit the Jabra Elite 65T, but they are also ideal for the Jabra Elite Active 65T model. Get the most out of your earbuds. What we like. These offer a high-quality silicone build with excellent sound isolation. If you're looking for a durable, washable option that effectively blocks out ambient noise for focused listening, these are a great choice. What people say. The Jabra Elite 65T ear tips are designed for a secure and comfortable fit, staying in place even during vigorous activity. These ear tips provide excellent passive noise isolation, effectively blocking out ambient sounds for an immersive listening experience. Number 4. BLLQ replacement eargels for Jabra Elite 65T Active 65T 75T. Ensure a perfect fit for your Jabra Elite 65T, Active 65T, and 75T earbuds. These replacement eargels are designed for optimal compatibility. Enjoy the convenience of charging without removing them. These eargels fit perfectly into the charging case, making your daily use hassle-free. Crafted from soft silicone, they provide superior noise isolation and in-ear stability. Experience lasting comfort throughout your day. These eargels are water-washable, durable, and flexible. Their anti-static properties make them easy to maintain and replace. Available in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, you can find the perfect fit for your ears. Each pack contains 6 pairs for extended use. Your new eargels come with a convenient plastic box for storage. Keep them organized and protected when not in use. What we like. These are designed to fit perfectly within the charging case, offering a soft silicone material for enhanced noise isolation and comfort. If you prioritize convenience and a comfortable, secure fit during long listening sessions, you should consider these. What people say. The Jabra Elite 65T ear tips are designed for a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring they stay in place during workouts and daily activities. These ear tips offer excellent passive noise isolation, effectively blocking out ambient sounds for an immersive listening experience. The package includes multiple sizes of ear tips, allowing users to find the perfect fit for their individual ear canal shape and size. Number 3. Rayker replacement ear tips for Elite Active 65T 75T. Experience a perfect fit designed specifically for your Elite 65T and 75T headphones. These ear tips ensure a secure and comfortable listening experience every time. No need to remove them. Our replacement ear tips are designed to fit perfectly into the charging case, making it convenient to power up your device. Enjoy your audio without interruption. The noise-isolating design effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing for high-intensity listening sessions. Crafted from super soft, high-quality silicone, these ear tips minimize ear irritation and fatigue. You can wear them comfortably all day long. Discover the difference ultra-soft materials make. You'll enjoy optimal comfort and maintain great sound quality with these premium replacements. This pack includes 3 pairs of medium-sized, gray ear tips. They are designed to provide a snug and comfortable fit for extended use. What we like. Experience a perfect fit with these super soft silicone tips designed to reduce earphone irritation and fatigue. If you often experience discomfort with standard ear tips and are seeking optimal comfort for extended wear, these are the ones for you. What people say. The Jabra Elite 65T ear tips provide a secure and comfortable fit, staying in place even during vigorous activity. These ear tips effectively block out ambient noise, allowing for an immersive listening experience. The Jabra Elite 65T ear tips are designed for easy installation and removal, making them convenient for cleaning and replacement. Number 2. Zotech ear tips for Jabra Elite Active 65T, 75T. Enhance your listening experience with these premium ear tips. Designed for a secure and comfortable fit, they are perfect for your Jabra Elite Active earbuds. Specifically crafted for Jabra Elite Active 65T and 75T models. Enjoy a snug fit that stays in place, no matter your activity. Find your ideal comfort with 3 available sizes: small, medium, and large. These ensure a personalized fit for every user. Made from high-quality silicone, these ear tips offer exceptional durability and all-day comfort. They are gentle on your ears, even during long listening sessions. Add a touch of style to your earbuds with this attractive white and red color combination. They look as good as they feel. Whether you're working out or on the go, these ear tips provide a secure seal. This helps to improve sound quality and noise isolation for your Jabra earbuds. What we like. These provide a secure fit with multiple size options for a personalized experience. If you need a reliable replacement that ensures good sound quality and a stable fit for your Jabra earbuds, these are a solid option. What people say. The Jabra Elite 65T ear tips are designed for a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring they stay in place during workouts and daily activities. These ear tips offer excellent passive noise isolation, effectively blocking out ambient sounds for an immersive listening experience. The package includes multiple sizes of ear tips, allowing users to find the perfect fit for their individual ear canal shape and size. Number 1. Zotech ear tips for Jabra Elite Active 65T, 75T. Enhance your listening experience with these premium ear tips. Designed for a secure and comfortable fit, they are perfect for your Jabra Elite Active 65T and 75T earbuds. Available in small, medium, and large, you're sure to find the ideal size for your ears. Enjoy a snug fit that stays in place during any activity. These ear tips provide exceptional comfort for extended wear. Their design ensures they remain securely in your ears, preventing them from falling out. Crafted in a classic black color, these ear tips are both stylish and durable. They are made to last, offering a reliable replacement for your original tips. Achieve better sound isolation and bass response with these specially designed ear tips. They help create a better seal for optimal audio performance. Replacing your old ear tips is simple and quick. Just a few moments, and you'll have a fresh, comfortable fit for your favorite earbuds. What we like. Offering a secure fit with multiple size options, these tips ensure a personalized experience. If you're looking for a dependable replacement that maintains good sound quality and a stable fit for your Jabra earbuds, these are a great choice. What people say. The Jabra Elite 65T ear tips are a great replacement for lost or worn-out tips. They provide a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring the earbuds stay in place during workouts or daily activities. The package includes multiple sizes, allowing for a customizable fit for different ear canal shapes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.